come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
And I hope Anand will listen to the entire answer. Anand, first of all, the number of illegal immigrants who used to come into this country between 2004 to 14 has dropped by over 90 to 95% because we have fenced the borders. I don't know where you got the statistic of that UPA did more fencing than us, but I don't want to get into that. But having said that, this is not about who's more powerful or who's more popular. The fact is that land is a subject of the state government. Law and order is a subject of the state government. If the state government does not cooperate with the BSF, does not even give them extra 50 kilometers jurisdiction or does not give them outposts, there is nothing in when then the state government goes and validates these illegals by giving them all kinds of identity proofs, including ration card, staying places, etc. Then there is very little you can do constitutionally unless your solution is, and I don't think that is your solution, that we should impose precedence rule in that state. If that is the case, please ask them if they are agreeable for this to be the logic or parameter.
As if President's rule has been put in Manipur after consulting the opposition. So let's not take that.
No, Navika, it's not a question. See, Manipur is completely different than what we are discussing in Bengal about illegal immigration. If Navika, at your seniority, you want to say Manipur, which has been burning for the last 40 years.
That's not the point. The point I'm making is President's rule is never imposed by taking the opposition.
Let's do one thing. At least let us in this debate have a consensus all security threat and giving this is not for you, and giving them gas cylinders or protecting them through IMDT Act architecture, which was the Supreme Court called it out and Sarbanan Sonowal fought that battle, or saying that Rohingyas are not terrorists. Let's ask one by one if they all agree that Rohingyas are terrorists.
Well,
I say Rohingyas are terrorists. What about you?
Vivek Srivastava.
Rohingyas terrorists.
And Vivek Srivastava. At least admit the fact that Mamata Banerjee in 2005, Manmohan Singh, the former Prime Minister in 2008, Shri Prakash Jaiswal, Congress leader, Home Minister in 2004. Everybody has commented on the fact that illegal immigration is a problem for India. Do you at least recognize that as
I'll tell you
challenge?
what I recognize on this debate that is happening over here with my dear friend Shahzad speaking and Dr. Ranganathan speaking. आप तीन चीजों में confused हैं. Bangladeshi immigrant, Rohingyas, illegal immigrant, refugee and citizenship. और आप सबकी खिचड़ी बना रहे हैं. रोहिंग्या बांग्लादेशी है? नहीं. पहले तो इसका उत्तर दीजिए मुझको. कहां से है रोहिंग्या? बोला किसने? एक मिनट. और कब आया था? Just a minute. Let me speak. It's my time. कब आया था? When did the Rohingyas come here? Under what condition? Under what condition? The Burmese army and the majority community over there. इतनी एट्रोसिटीज करी, देवर एट्रोसिटीज करी. पहले मेरे को वो कश्मीर में नहीं है. 40,000 रोहिंग्याज इंडिया में, 6,000 कश्मीर में. खालसा एड वो बहुत बांग्लादेशी बॉर्डर, बांग्लादेशी बॉर्डर पे खालसा एड पहला एनजीओ पहुंचा. 4 लाख रोहिंग्याओं को खाना दवाइयां दी. पूरी दुनिया ने बोला ये पीड़ित है. लुंगी और फटी बनियान पहन के वो आदमी आ रहा है और आप कह रहे टेररिस्ट आ रहा है. यहां तक पहुंच गए तो लोगों ने कहा बीइंग अ ह्यूमैनिटेरियन कंट्री भारत है, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. और जब कोई शरण लेने आ रहा है मरता हुआ आदमी तो आप कह रहे हैं भगाओ इसको, ये टेररिस्ट है. सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि आपको उसका धर्म समझ नहीं आ रहा. प्लान था उनको रखो वापस. जब बांग्लादेशी हिंदूज के लिए कुछ नहीं करना. सुन लीजिए पहले, जब बर्मीज गवर्नमेंट से बात चल रही थी,
बांग्लादेशी हिंदूज कम हियर, देन सीए नहीं होना चाहिए. देन सीए नहीं होना चाहिए. बट इफ द मुस्लिम्स कम, वो बेचारे लुंगी में आ रहे हैं.
This language is unacceptable. लाल किले पे खड़े होकर के कम्युनल डेमोक्रेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, घुसपैठिए की बात कर रहे हैं, और आप जो कर रहे हैं ना एसआईआर के थ्रू जो मुसलमानों के वोट काट रहे हैं, बांग्लादेशी और बांग्ला क्या है?
I completely condemn the manner in which you are putting the entire institutional framework of India, throwing it into the dustbin.
और बांग्ला बोलते हैं तो आप बांग्लादेशी हो गए. निकालो हर उस मुसलमान को.
आमियों बांग्ला बोलते पारी, आमियों बांग्ला बोलते पारी तो
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पॉइंट आउट किया. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पॉइंट आउट किया है that Bengali is an Indian language.
No, please, you have to listen 20 seconds, then Anand and First of all, what the Supreme Court has said yesterday, you should keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Secondly, please don't shout. Please don't shout.
जी.
आपने रोहिंग्याओं की सिचुएशन के बारे में बड़ी पीड़ादायक तरीके से आपने बात की. पाकिस्तान में हिंदुओं का नरसंहार हुआ, उनको सीए में नागरिकता देते तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
कोई प्रॉब्लम कभी थी ही नहीं.
नहीं प्रॉब्लम
कभी थी नहीं. साथ में पीड़ित मुसलमान शिया
हिंदुओं को पीड़ित कौन कर रहा है? हिंदुओं को पीड़ित कौन कर रहा है?
आप बिल एक धर्म के हिसाब से नहीं बना सकते.
Well,
कोई बिल